This is Katonah Avenue, which is the Irish part of Bronx. A lot of people who are Irish moved here and immigrated here directly from Ireland. There's Irish restaurants, lots of Irish pubs. We just bought potatoes in a Irish deli where they have full Irish breakfasts, lots of other cool stuff. Let's see. Now we were told to go this way for the Paddock, which is an Irish restaurant and breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's see what they have. The Paddock, and they have bakery items, Union breakfasts, Irish favorites, specials. They're not saying what they have. What do we have over here? Here we go. Potato and leek soup, chicken. Nothing particularly tremendously Irish. Okay, let's walk further and see what else we see. I see another Irish flag down the road here. Woodlawn gift shop. Closed. Woodlawn Heights. Here is pizza place. And a lot of people that do look Irish. When you see red-haired people, it's a clear sign you're there. Another Irish pub, I'd say. What are they getting? Lots of liquor, it looks like. FIFA, they're getting ready for the World Cup, I bet. The World Cup starts in about a week. Week and a half from now. Beautiful flowers. And this is Beechin's Pubble Cabinet. Yes? Okay. Go Knicks. Today the Knicks are in the playoffs. And this is a Rambling House bar and lounge. They have Irish flags, like I said, for Irish too. Let's go and look at what their menus say. GAA Saturday night. Dublin versus Galway. Join Sharon. The bar for breakfast. Longford versus Down. Carlow versus Saturday. That's the Gaelic Athletic Association. And this is Saturday night. Cool. You're getting ready for the Knicks playoffs today, 2028. Let's get our menu out here. They may. Showing all the sports bar. Okay, there's the sports. Big place. store. Katonah Avenue, the Irish part of the Bronx. It's called Woodlawn Heights. There's the Woodlawn Heights branch library. There's lots of Irish stores here. We're going to see all the stores we see. Mini market. What do they have? It's like everything. Hiya, how you doing? You want to ask me a question?
Sure. No, I'm going to ask you for some money, man.
I don't need money, I'm poor. You got a deal. So where's the best place to get Irish, the best Irish restaurant in the town? This way or that way?
That way. You have food over there, the pattern.
The patty?
Bottom.
Patty.
Bottom.
Pattern.
So, the next block,
Yeah.
over there, on the right.
Thank you.
They make these